It's that time of the year when feasting and fasting overlap, and in the middle you see a lot of controversies around food as well. And once again, like many times in the past, the UP government has prohibited the sale of meat near religious places due to Navratri. Now, special restrictions have been imposed for Ram Navami on the 6th of April, when animal slaughter and the sale of meat will be completely banned. But the opposition is now up in arms. Leaders from the Samajwadi Party as well as the Aam Aadmi Party have questioned the intent behind the move. The Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi goes as far as to call it undeclared emergency in the country, while the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh dares the BJP government to impose similar restrictions on the outlets of the multinational brands.
मुसलमानों के खिलाफ रोजाना नफरत भरी बातें करना, ये उसी का नतीजा है। अभी नमाज के लिए है, मस्जिद में घुस के मारेंगे, मुसलमान जो है पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद बोलता है, ये सारी चीजें झूठ है। बिल्कुल, जब बड़ी बड़ी कुर्सियों पर बैठे हो मंत्री मुसलमानों के खिलाफ इतना जहर उगलेंगे तो आम आदमी ये सोचेगा कि इनके खिलाफ मैं क्या करूं, उसी का नतीजा है। मैं समझता हूं ये नफरत का नतीजा है। अनडिक्लेयर इमरजेंसी है, अनडिक्लेयर हिंदू राष्ट्र है।
आसपास कोई जो रेस्टोरेंट होगा जहां पे दारू बिकेगी, वो चाहे भाजपाइयों के हों या किसी के भी हों, और जहाँ पे मीट मर्गा मछली बिकेगा, चाहे वो KFC हो, मैकडोनल्ड हो, वो सब बंद कीजिए आप। भाई कहाँ हिंदू धर्म में लिखा है दारू पीना चाहिए? दारू की दुकान नहीं बंद करेंगे आप। उत्तर प्रदेश में आप हाईवे पे चलिए मेरे साथ, 500 मीटर के अंदर मंदिर भी आपको मिलेगा, KFC भी मिलेगी, मैकडोनल्ड भी मिलेगा। आप सब बंद कराइए ना।
महंगी बिजली है, यहाँ कारोबार नहीं हो रहा, नौकरी नहीं मिल रही, रोजगार नहीं है। इसलिए इस सरकार की जो नीयत है, जो उनकी स्ट्रेटजी है, वो ये है कि बुनियादी सवाल न पूछे जाएं। इसीलिए धार्मिक ये सवाल उठाए जाते हैं। और सच्चाई ये है, कोई भी कपड़े पहनने से योगी नहीं बन जाता है, विचार से योगी होता है, अपने काम से योगी होता है।
In fact, after this attack from the opposition, the BJP leaders have taken on those who are crying persecution, citing similar prohibitions in the Middle Eastern countries as well as the Vatican City as well.
For everything Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the BJP has done for the last 11 years, the Congress party will try and spin it as being anti-something or anti-somebody. If the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and the government of Uttar Pradesh has taken a decision, it will be a well thought of decision, and it is not unusual for other countries and other places to do the same. The Middle East bans certain.
So these are the political reactions coming in on the same, but a lot of politics breaking out over whether meat should be allowed or not, while the opposition leaders continue to say that this is undeclared emergency. In fact, some of the political leaders also went on to say that this is targeted towards a particular community, saying that such restrictions are not imposed for the other festivals. It's only for festivals of a certain community that these restrictions come into effect. So the opposition says that this is clear hatred and the politics of hatred by the government that is being displayed yet again. Whereas the BJP says that similar restrictions are also placed in the other countries. The opposition is only trying to politicize the issue.